Hi, here's a quick DIY tutorial on how I made a custom wall painting template using my Cricut Joy and some extra wide blue painter's tape, which I found on Amazon. Please note, this is not sponsored, and since I didn't use official Cricut products for this DIY, proceed at your own risk. But I had great success with this technique. First, I grabbed a pattern off the internet and customized it using Cricut Design Space. I taped 2 standard grip mats together to make one long mat. This was just to make my template piece longer, so I'd have less pieces to deal with. I tried using the light grip mats at first, but for some reason the tape was much harder to peel off, so I recommend the standard grip mats. I attached the 5.5-inch blue painter's tape to the mat and trimmed the excess, so it'd run through the machine smoothly. I then set my machine to cut on iron-on material setting. I carefully peeled my design off the mat and attached the pieces to the wall using small guidelines to make sure I kept everything nicely evenly spaced. Once you paint, make sure to remove the tape before the paint dries to avoid any peeling. Lastly, I gently cleaned my Cricut with some Glue Gun from leftover sticky residue. I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions.